My AI training bot is running 24/7 on an online server, analyzing the market, making trades, etc. But I didn't know what decisions it was taking until I would connect via terminal, via SSH to my VPS, do all the going to the logs, checking, etc. Not good enough, too tedious, so I wanted something more efficient. So what I did was to very simply connect it to a Discord server where the notifications from the AI would come directly, so I can consult them on my laptop or on my phone, etc. So let me show you how I did it. At first, a few words of context. So I released a video where I explained how this AI trading bot educational code works and how you install it and automate it on a VPS, etc. It's all open source. And the video is linked down below. So if you need to catch up, don't hesitate. Anyway, so this is a code which basically goes from prompt to a trade. And what I'm doing today is that I'm adding a little module which captures or notifies via Discord the response of the AI model. So basically, to be very short, and I want to tell you this, I'm super happy because it made me realize something about this template prompt that I had here, and I'll tell you in a second about this. So just so you know, I've added this runner with Discord on the code. So if you download, do git pull, etc., or install for the first time, you'll get it and you can use runner with Discord. This, what I'm saying, would all be clear if you watched that video before. Anyways, so you can see here, you can add, all you need to do is add a Discord URL, and I'll show you also in a second how to configure this. It's super easy. And there's just a little parenthesis. I put a flag here, true or false, for the reason, because basically what this prompt asks and the tooling that comes with it in the code is the AI, you must give me a clear interpretation of your market analysis. So whether you think this coin is bullish, bearish, if you think you are bullish or bearish or neutral on the market of that coin. But also give me a reason, like a little paragraph that tells me your reasoning, etc. So you see the reason here. So, but maybe, the point with Discord, what's great with Discord is that you can really it's free and you can build your own. Creating a server takes 2 seconds. You can do many categories, many channels, especially, I should mention this, but there's a forward tester in this code. So where you don't trade for real, it just saves your trades on paper. So to test all the prompts, all your setups, etc. So you might end up with, there's a name, you can configure the runner name comes up here, but you could very well do a lot of channels, and that's what I will do with all your testing, etc. So it's very clear, organized, etc. So my point is, I'm not going to go into details, but I'm adding this runner with Discord that you can just configure. And that's what is run by the VPS. And I added this Discord notification.py in the library, which you can really come and change and modify, beautify, add things, whatever. Go crazy. There's no problem. Anyway, I'm losing myself. Back to the point at hand, what I wanted to say is that this little flag here, if you put it to false, it will hide. You will not get the reason part in the notification. Great. So now let me show you how to create the URL, etc. First, I want to tell you that this is not financial advice. Trading is risky. You can lose all your capital. AI trading is definitely risky as well. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, experiences, my passion, my fun, all of that. So, okay, let's get to the integration. So I said the word, super simple. I right click on here and I go to edit channel. Then in here you have integrations. You see, I already have a webhook. So I could do, let me do one. I'll just show you. So we do a new webhook that creates a guy like this. This little guy, actually in the configuration, this name is overridden. I'll show you. So the point is, all you need to do is do copy webhook URL. And when you're configuring things via the terminal on your runner, on the VPS, you just come here and come and paste that URL. You save, etc. Done, finished. So actually, let me come back here. And I think what would be nice is that I show you, I'm going to delete this. I'll show you it run from the VPS so you see a notification appearing. Okay, so back to the terminal. I'm at the root at AI training bot. I just type bash batch runner. Remember, this is what we configured in the cron job. So the job scheduler that executes this code regularly at the time frame that you want. So I'm just pressing play. It'll take a few seconds and you can see actually the logging of what's happening, the printing, and we can see Discord notification enabled. So great. And we didn't hear any sound. I think I muted my sound, but you can see we got our first notification here. So that was my BTC template run. And I think we should get in a few seconds. Why is it not coming? Okay, we're now running the Ethereum. I had configured both, one on BTC, one on Ethereum, and we got it here. There you go. Two things I said I would tell you. So first, when I was saying the name of the Discord bot that you webhook that you configured that I just mentioned is overridden by the code. You can see I call it AI trading bot. It's actually here. Let me just show you Discord notification.py username AI trading bot. So if you want to change or remove the overridden, I don't know how you say it, but you can just remove that. Great. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is this made me realize something straight when I connected it. And because I left it to run for 1 week, curious to see how it goes, etc. And when I did that, I saw this, that, well, basically, first of all this is with DeepSeek, all at the moment is been neutral the whole time. So it's true that BTC has been ranging, so it makes sense to me. What I saw here was this. I think as of today, there's 98,000 BTC. So either DeepSeek is hallucinating or actually he's doing on memory and he's not checking things. So this template prompt, which I didn't expect much from it, I said it, but I think I need to work on this definitely because he's not actually actively with that simple prompt checking what's happening today. So I think maybe a more active thing like saying you are a daily trader or doing daily trading, you want to make the most money over 1 day, blah, blah, blah. Today is that date, whatever. Something like this, but more active prompting than anyway. But this is a topic for another time. I want to create also maybe a prompt bank or a little module to control all your prompts easily, etc. So that will be for another time. So anyways, happy trading. Take care and see you soon.